Hi guys, welcome back to our next video of Bulgarian World Aviation 101. But there's a plane coming, and I think it's a Q400. Looks like it. Oh wow, Porter Airlines Q400. Whoa guys, that's awesome. Subscribe. No way. No way we're seeing a Porter Airlines Q400. First time we've seen a turboprop. Guys, I was trying to put the zoom down, but looks like I actually flipped it without pressing the screen flip button. But that was awesome. We got a Porter Airlines Q400, which is a Canadian airline. Yep, it's a Canadian Airlines. It's an airline from Canada. But the awesome fact is that we saw a Q400. Wow, guys. Respect. Oh, yes, guys. Yes. Okay. We're getting luckier and luckier. I guess that's why. Yeah. Actually, you know, it looks like a lot of people left. A lot of people left ever since from the hill. Oh wait, guys. Probably not. It's not a turboprop. Let's see. And I think that's a United Embraer 175, I think. Look here with planes. Well, actually, I'm tired of seeing United because I've just seen it for so long that I'm bored of seeing United just every time. It's one of the most biggest US airlines. It's like one of the most biggest airlines in the US. Because United is the biggest airline in the US, I think. I can't call it for the number one biggest. Wow. Wow, guys. Actually, I did press the screen flip button on the last one. Just like, I cannot imagine a United Embraer 175 landing after a Porter Q400. Like, let's pretend my fingers, the Porter Q400 lands. Then, like, we wait for a short time, and then another United Embraer 175 comes up landing. I can't imagine that, guys. Wow. That's so sick, guys. Sick means cool. Well, if you don't describe it in another way, if you describe it in another way, it means something else. It means if you say it like in a phrase, someone is feeling sick, that means they're not feeling well, but you already know. So, I don't have to treat you guys like a baby. Sorry. So far, 4 minutes. 4 minutes so far. Hope we got a cool one. But the first one was a cool one. I think it was the same aircraft that we had on on one of our latest videos. Like when there was rain, I had to split the video into parts because of the rain. Because there was like rain pouring on the screen, and like the screen sensed the rain, and it thought something was touching it and telling it to stop the video, was commanding it to stop the video, and it just stopped. The reason? Too much raindrops on the screen. Yeah. I told that to a guy, I think it was called an Enormous User. He asked, like one of you guys asked, what screen is stopping you? I need clarification on one of my comments. And I replied, but my mom replied, even though actually, if you think it was someone else, that was my mom's account, but actually, that was me replying on my mom's account. By the way, I'm recording on my mom's phone. If you didn't know, I'm recording on my mom's phone. But anyways, guys, in the future, I'll record with my phone. If you don't know, it's just a Samsung Galaxy SJ7. It's just a cheap phone. Because of Metro PCS offered it to my mom and dad, and then I asked to have the phone, and they gave it to me, and it was mine. So it was like kind of a gift from my parents. But maybe today they think they were mistaken back then to give me a phone. It's cheap anyways. Anyways, I don't like it a lot. But I do. Bro did the light skins there. Lots of flies. You know, I was like kicking. Hi. Oh, itch. It's already 8 minutes into the video. I don't know why there's no planes. Still a lot of recent videos I made that have never been uploaded, so I will try to upload. But we have another playlist. Whoa. Looks like it's a big one. I guess that was just another United Amber 175. Just landing. Like, you know the YouTuber Junpei? Like, he mixes all his comments. Like, people post different things, and then he does memes. One time there was like a dog. There was the 2010 meme dog. he was eating his memes, and then Junpei asked him to stop eating his memes and then he ate Junpei. If you haven't watched Junpei, I have. Anyways, don't care about him. He doesn't post videos as good as mine. Guys, make sure to stay on my side. I'm a little more nicer than him. And a little bit more specific. Actually, said way more specific. You know, I heard on a video that on YouTube. Wait, we have another video. I'll tell after we see this plane. That's small. And wait, I think that's a Gulfstream G560. Yeah, guys, I think that's a Gulfstream. Yeah, I think, guys, I think that's a Gulfstream G560. For the last one, I saw one like this, and I was wrong. I should already know what I'm doing. What I'm singing. You know the Karu meme? Yeah, I know that one. From Junpei. That's where I know that from. I already know the Iwill meme. It's like, Iwill. Anyways, let's not talk about that. There's like these two little kids on YouTube. They film at their grandma's house, and when they just post one video, they get like lots of views. They get like thousands of views, and when we just like spend our whole 2 hours on a video, we just get like 2 views. Subscribe if YouTube is unfair. Because of these two kids. I don't know why they're getting a lot of views since they're filming in their grandma's house. Like, they're getting a lot of views. Okay, this is our last one. Because I've been recording for 12 minutes now. 12:43. Oh, come on. Another... Yep, that's a real chat. About to get to 13 minutes. Wish is corrupted. Wish is corrupted. Yep. See, guys? Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching again. Bye. See you on the next video.